What if we told you there's a powerful tool that can help you make informed investment decisions? A tool that can give you valuable insights into the stock market and help you build your portfolio with confidence. Introducing ChatGPT, a game changing technology that can quickly analyze stocks and provide you with the information you need to make smart investment choices. But what exactly is ChatGPT? In simple terms, it's an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI that's designed to answer questions and provide information about a wide range of topics, including stocks and the stock market. So, how can you use ChatGPT to analyze stocks? Here are a few tips to get you started. Start with a clear question. Before asking ChatGPT for information about a particular stock or the stock market, make sure you have a clear question in mind. This will help you get more relevant information and useful responses. Be specific. The more specific your question, the more likely you are to get a useful response. Try to include relevant information such as the name of the company or the industry that you're in, and any specific factors that may be affecting the stock market. Consider multiple sources. While ChatGPT can provide insights and information about stocks in the stock market, it's always a good idea to cross check your findings with other sources such as financial news sites, analyst reports, and other reputable sources. Make sure to keep up with the news. The stock market is constantly changing, and it's important to stay up to date on the latest news and trends. Consider using ChatGPT to help you stay informed about the latest developments and market trends, and use this information to inform your investment decisions. Here are some examples of questions you can ask ChatGPT to help you analyze stocks. What are the current trends in the technology sector? What are the risks of investing in airline stocks? What is the financial health of a specific company? What is the price to earnings ratio of a specific stock? By asking these questions and more, ChatGPT can provide you with valuable insights that can help you make informed investment decisions. But it's important to remember that when it comes to investing in stocks, it's always a good idea to do your own research and seek advice from a financial professional before making any investment decisions. ChatGPT is a great tool to use as part of your research, but it should not be the only source of information you rely on. By combining the power of ChatGPT with your own research and the advice of financial professionals, you can build a portfolio that reflects your investment goals and values. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.